Hello everyone, some users have noticed a sizzling sound when starting BTH BP02-Pottery wheel. So why exactly this happens and why it's completely normal, let's take a look on the wheel. So this is BP02-Pottery wheel. I'm starting the wheel around 250 RPM. The wheel is running really quiet. After increasing the speed around 300 RPM, you may hear a bit sizzling sound which is completely normal. From the technical point of view, this is caused by inverter switching frequency and electromagnetic vibration inside the motor. At a certain speed, the electrical frequency align with the natural vibration of the motor structure, which make the sound noticeable. So this is completely normal for variable speed motor system. It does not affect performance, stability or durability. If you have any further questions, feel free to contact us anytime. Thank you so much.